Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techy Ritesh, and in this video we are going to unbox the Redmi 5A, Xiaomi Redmi 5A. So this is the budget section phone which comes in the price of 5999. So let's start the video. So starting from the box overview, in top of we get India's #1 smartphone red and MI logo. The box is in red color which gives the premium look to it. At bottom we get Redmi 5A and there is written that by Xiaomi. So the box quality is very nice which gives premium look to it. So if we talk about the back, there is given some functions. I have bought the 2GB 16GB variant. The at bottom it is written that it is made in India product, and this phone comes with the Snapdragon 425 processor and other functions I will tell in the unboxing video. So let's unbox it. So now I will going to unbox it. So I will cut it now. Let me just cut it. Let me just peel the plastic out, and here is not cut it well, so I have cut it now, and here is our Redmi 5A. After opening the box we get our Redmi 5A at top of the, as you can see here. So here is our phone Redmi 5A. So I will just put it aside and see whatever else we get in the box. So first of all we get two papers. The first paper is user manual and second is of warranty information, so I will keep it aside. And we get here the USB cable, which is USB to micro USB. So the Redmi 5 comes with the micro USB port. So here is the charging adapter. Let me just take it out. So this is our charging adapter. As you can see here, the Xiaomi has given a big adapter than its normal size. It comes with the rating of 2 mAh. And here is the SIM ejector tool, which is taking our time. Here is our SIM ejector tool. Xiaomi has given a blank compartment. So this much accessories we get with the phone. So it is starting to boot. It takes some time for boot. So till then I will show you some features of it. So the Redmi 5A comes with the 5 megapixel front camera and speaker. At bottom we get navigation bar, and at side power button and volume rockers. At top we get infrared sensor and 3.5mm jack, and at the side we get dedicated SIM slot in which we can use both SIMs and a micro SD card simultaneously. So here is our first, which consists of nano SIM, and let me just take out the second one. So here is the second one, SIM tray, in which we can put one nano SIM and one micro SD card. So at the bottom we get the micro USB port and microphone, and in the back we get the 13 megapixel rear camera and flashlight, and at bottom there is a Xiaomi, means MI logo, and a speaker kit. So I will just complete the boot now. So it is telling me to select the region, so I am just finding India. So where is India? Where is India? Where is India? So I got it. Here is our India. So I'm going to click next. It takes time for first boot. So here is telling to choose the keyboard. Connect to Wi-Fi network. And no. So it is completed the setup. So here is our final Redmi 5. So I will just go to settings and show you what features we get. So it comes with the 9.5.1 MIUI and 7.1 Nougat. And here is so I have wanted 2GB 16GB variant. In this we get only 8.52GB available storage. So you have to buy a separate micro SD card for the internal storage. So we get only 16GB of storage. So if you want the review of this phone, so please comment in the section below, so I will give the review of it.